Yo, hello, what's up, guys? In this video today, we are going to look about how we are gonna use the Microsoft 2010 Publisher. Before getting into the video, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. So, if you know that Microsoft Publisher is a app which is suited for making magazines, newsletters, awards, certificates, advertisements, letterheads, menus, paper folding projects, brokers, brochures, calendars, and others. So let's start up using Microsoft Publisher by making a newsletter or magazine. Microsoft Publisher is a desktop publishing application. It's from Microsoft. It's different from Microsoft Word in that emphasis is placed on page layout, designs rather than text, composition, and proofing. So when you look like what is Microsoft Publisher used for? It's mainly used for publisher. It's powerful software application used for desktop publishing. Now, if you see in that, like customize in the color scheme, this color scheme there are many designs, and you put any of your favorite color scheme, it will turn into this color. Next is the font theme. The font theme, like you select any of a font, then the font will come into the pages that you insert. Then now I choose Techno. It's a good color. So as you can see, there are many templates and designs. You can choose any of your favorite designs and start publicating or publishing. Then here's the page size, like 2 spread page or 1 spread page or master page. We can choose any of them, but I prefer the one page spread. That's good. Next up, yeah. Yeah, now, okay, you can see that there are many. You can also insert blank pages or manufacturers like this blank white pages, any blank white pages, like which sizes, right? Now we can also insert manufacturers and start publication. Now, yeah, I'm gonna insert any of my publications. I choose this one. Wow. Okay, broadcast is good. That's good, yeah. Now we should broadcast, yeah. No, now let's create it. Yeah, now let's create it. It's loading. Yeah. Now this is the newsletter over here. Is the newsletter title. Now it's the measurement. Yeah. For changing the title, I'm gonna type it class new. Okay, no magazine. Class newsletter. Class newsletter. Yeah. It's a class newsletter. Let me cover it. Over there, so we can change the color to any of the color we can change. Any color. Yeah. Okay. I choose blue color. No, wait. We can change even the foods, which food we want. Okay, let me choose school thing. How many fonts are there? Yeah. Okay, this is good. Yeah, it's good. This is like aligning right, left, back, center or middle. I choose middle. Middle is good. Class. That's like italic one. It will turn the title, and this is the underline button. It will underline the title. Now that's like we should change the font. Small caps, big caps, or medium caps. And this is like font size, which size you want. 36, 12, 40, 36, no, 48. Oh yeah, that's good. Now it's like small caps and big caps. Oh yeah, the word art, like styles is styles. The same button. Next up we go to insert, where like catalogs, table, pictures, clip art, shapes, and others like page, string, calendars, attachment, and word arts. Many other pages. We have pages, clip arts. Yeah, this is like pages, like 2 spread pages are. This is the catalogs. So it's the 2 spread page. Yeah. The undo the class. Yeah. Okay. Next step in the insert, we have the clip art. The clip art, like you search any images and you can search from the clip art. It's same like PowerPoint, like magazine. Okay, you choose any of the magazine picture and insert it. Now we have shapes. I insert star. We can insert star. We can color it even. Now picture. We can insert pictures like PowerPoint, any pictures. It's loading pictures. Yeah, I choose these pictures. Yeah. Okay. This picture, and I can move it to anywhere. And I choose the location. Yeah. Undo. 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 Next up, we have the page part. That's another thing. Yeah. It's like this. Yeah. It's like it's an element in magazine or newsletter. Next is undo. Yeah, undo. Next we have the calendars, brochure, and accolades. We have advertisements. Yeah. Like that. This is the brochures and accolades. It's like the design for the magazine or newsletter. This is the word art. In word art, like we can change it. Yeah, it's the word art. Now, then let's go. Yeah, this is the word art. It's like the copy paste of the title. Like undo. Next, page design. We come. Yeah, you can just any favorite design for the page. Like my favorite is like technique. Technique's good. It's like the margins. So like as you can see that blue lines as the margins. Next, this one, size. You can choose any of the size you want, like 0.5 into 9.3. Like, and just like delete, move, and remove. And yeah, this is the background. You can choose any of the background you want. Like yeah, backgrounds. Next, this one, like picture. Yeah, this is the texture background. You can like any texture background. Next, we are having the picture background, tint, patterns. Yeah, let me choose a picture background. You can choose any picture background. Pictures, we can set pictures as a background. Let me choose a picture. Marshmallow DJ, yeah. See, as you can see that we can choose any picture of background. Next of mailings, that's nothing, that's like common every year. And spelling, research, and the one was like the research, like any research you can do. Next up, the spellings. Spelling check complete. We can check whether the spellings are right or that. Next up, we have the view, two-spread view, single view, master view. These are the pages. Actually, single page is good. Single page is good. This is a master page. This is master page. This is difficult to use master page. Oh yeah. View single page is good. This is the boundaries. This one, rulers, fields, and others. That's not commonly used, but in some newsletters we use it. Yeah. This publication we publish, we can use it for class, school, or like any work or business newsletter or magazines. Like if you want to save, you're gonna save or save as. Now if you want to make a new publishing thing, we can go to the new, any publishing or email catalogs, something like, yeah, new newsletter we can exit. So that's it, guys. This is the tutorial for beginners. Yeah, for beginners. And so yeah, this one's the boundaries and lines. That's not commonly used, but we can also use. Yeah, tutorial. Nice. This is the title, class newsletter. LETTER. Yeah. That's it. Yeah, I was continuing like newsletter publication. I prefer everyone to use publish 2010 because it's like there are more templates and designs than 2013. I mean MS365. If you want the latest version, you can choose MS365, which is also the latest version. It's better. It also has good templates. Yeah. And that's it. Yeah, okay, this is the newsletter finish. And yeah, it's a newsletter which I made for my class. This is my class newsletter. This I made for my from class 7A. So this is my class newsletter. It's from the editors that I'm the chief editor in my school. So I made the newsletter for my class and school. It's my class teacher's message. It's like we can design. I completely used 2010 for this. This is the second page, school vision, mission, my school message, class message. That's it. Next up is the third page. It's about all the events in my class we done. It's like home gardening, the home economics, other activities like, yeah, these are the pictures, and these are the home gardening. We plant trees. This is the honors and awards we receive. Yeah, it's the best quiz. Oh no, it's not. It's Shakespeare's Day. It's Shakespeare's Day. Yeah, Shakespeare's Day. These are the talents. This is the best quiz. I was the first winner in my best quiz. The certificates, I paste certificates. These are some drawings, articles for the class newsletter. Next up we have our editorial board. This editorial board. The members, my name is Nishan. Then the down one is my class teacher. Our honorable class teachers. Word of thanks. We thank the members of the editorial board. Next up, the last page is thank you page. So thanks to I am the class leader and the editor of the school. So thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and